Welcome everyone. Today we're stepping inside one of the biggest jackfruit factories on the planet.
This giant fruit is about to become something incredible.
Thousands of these fruits roll in here every single day.
This is where raw fruit becomes a modern food product.
Watch how these machines open every fruit with perfect precision.
Every step here is carefully controlled for quality.
And now comes the powerful shredding stage. This breaks the fruit into the perfect meat-like texture.
Everything here is monitored in real time.
Now it's blended to create the perfect consistency.
Look at that smooth, rich texture forming.
That aroma tells you this is going to taste amazing.
This place runs like a perfectly tuned engine.
Every part is sorted for maximum quality.
It takes serious engineering to make food at this scale.
This is where the meat-like fibers really take shape.
Drying locks in the flavor and texture.
Slow drying makes all the difference.
Every batch is carefully measured.
This is where moisture leaves and flavor stays.
Temperature control is the key to consistency.
Now comes the flavor.
That seasoning really brings it to life.
Every piece is checked before it goes out.
This is where texture and taste come together.
This is where all those flavors come together.
Even factory-made food deserves a beautiful presentation.
That final touch adds freshness to every bite.
Look at Les Cereals. Proper storage keeps the flavor locked in.
This fruit is as beautiful as it is delicious.
That natural juice tells you just how fresh it is.
This mix is what gives it that signature taste.
Every ingredient here has a purpose. Just enough to bring everything together.
This whole system works like clockwork.
Harder heat frame more things.
One small adjustment makes a big difference.
Hard work pays off when the results look this good.
That color means flavor is peaking.
This is where texture really forms.
That's exactly the texture we want.
Look at how much comes out of just a few fruits.
These simple ingredients make a big impact.
This takes breakfast to another level.
A feast that's both healthy and tasty.
Warm, sweet, and satisfying.
Follow these times and you'll get perfect results every batch. Nature and science working together.
These make great gifts for anyone who loves healthy snacks.
Simple, clean, and ready to go.
That final touch makes it special. Every great product starts right here with fresh fruit. Alice Lambersimersofordius. This land produces the fruit that feeds an entire industry.
These little details show how alive this place really is.
That's a perfect harvest right there.
Fresh cuts keep all the flavor locked inside.
You can see how rich and tender it is.
Now this goes from farm to factory. Everything is ready for transformation.
Even the outside tells a story of strength and freshness.
And have done natural wear. This fruit is packed with natural fiber and nutrients.
It's amazing how beautiful, simple food can be.
Sweet and creamy always work together.
That's a perfect bite.
I could eat this all day.
A little sweetness makes it even better.
It's tasty and it's good for you. It's good for you. Harachas.
Every piece is packed with flavor.
Let's take this outside. Fresh air makes everything taste better.
Go ahead, give it a try.
Yes.
Surfing Simone Spice, cheers.
Thanks for being part of this journey.
Every good snack leaves a memory.
Simple, clean, and delicious.
That's how we turn fruit into something amazing.
Now this is where people get to taste what all that work creates. Chefs love how versatile this ingredient is.
Every dish brings out a different side of its flavor.
It all starts with quality fruit. Even science plays a role in perfecting the taste.
Every batch is tested for consistency.
It's interesting through experiments. This fruit is grown and enjoyed all over the world.
The future starts with planting today.
Innovation keeps improving every bite.
This helps lock in the perfect texture.
All of this helps make a better product.
People love discovering new flavors.
Creativity brings this fruit to life.
That's the reaction you hope for.
Sharing this journey is part of the fun.
Every shot tells a story.
The people behind the scenes make it all happen.
A long day, but a productive one.
These are ready for the world.
Anyone can make something great with this.
This is what all that work creates.
From the ground up, it's an amazing operation.
Freshness at every step.
A great team makes everything better. This process saves resources while feeding more people.
These numbers show just how powerful this system is.
Big thanks to everyone who makes this happen.
Thank you too.
Another successful day comes to an end.
Every detail matters, even after the work is done.
This place never really sleeps.
These products are heading out to the world.
A powerful space built for one purpose. Thanks for being part of this journey. On to the next adventure. Balance between industry and the planet. I hope you enjoyed every moment.
Stay curious, stay hungry, and I'll see you next time.